Regular cleaning and lubrication of your chain will help prevent your drivetrain from wearing out. You should clean and lube your chain if it is dry, dirty, or begins to sound too noisy. If you ride every day, you should clean and lube the chain at least once a month. I don't recommend using either motor oil or 3-in-1 oil to lubricate the chain. Motor oil is too heavy and won't fully penetrate the rollers, and 3-in-1 oil is vegetable based and will gum up the chain. I also don't recommend using wax lubricants because while they don't collect as much dirt, they are a lot of hassle to apply correctly, and wax is simply not as good a lubricant as oil. I do recommend mineral-based chain oils like Finish Line Cross Country or Phil Wood Tenacious Oil because they do the best job of fighting corrosion and don't wash away when they get wet. Before cleaning, first shift the chain into the smallest sprocket on the rear. For average dust and dirt, wipe the chain clean with a solvent-soaked rag. The easiest way to do this is to hold the chain still at the derailleur cage while firmly wiping the lower run of the chain. Then move the chain backward and wipe again until you've wiped the entire length of the chain. Wipe in between the rear sprockets using either a rag or a sprocket cleaning tool. Then clean all of the front chain rings on both sides. Shift your gears into the middle sprocket, both front and rear. Remember that oil does a good job of spreading itself, so try not to over-apply the lubricant. Lubricate the entire inner circumference of the chain, on the side that faces the sprockets along the top of the lower run of the chain. Now run the chain backwards while dropping oil on both sides of the rollers. Now shift through all of your gears to spread the lubricant evenly throughout the drivetrain. Then use a rag to wipe off any excess oil.